Today we're testing out a 2-pack of versatile camping lights from MyCampix, and I've gotta say, I'm really liking it so far. And this pack of camping lights comes shipped to your door, ready to light up your area as well. Inside the box, you have a mini tripod and 2 durable travel cases. Inside those, you have a user manual, a USB-C charging cable, a lanyard, and then your light. First impressions, it feels pretty rugged. On the bottom, you have some magnets, as well as a tripod hole. And then on the side, you have a charge port, the power button to turn it on and off, as well as a screen showing your battery percentage. You can hold down the power button to enable strobe mode, or double press the button to turn on a red strobe mode for emergencies. On top, you have a lanyard hole, as well as the mode button. You can press this to cycle through the 4 different levels of light. Then you can spin the wheel to make the light warm or cool. And that's all the settings. So now on to testing. First, I tested the magnets. The magnets are strong enough to hang vertically, and then they're just strong enough to hang horizontally if you need light straight down. I went inside to wait for sunset, and noticed that the front glows in the dark too. This definitely helps see it in the dark when the light is off. Now you won't lose your light. Pretty cool. After sunset, I went back outside and turned on the light, and it lit up the area nicely. It's actually really bright. I brought them out to my campsite and used them to light up the area. It was so helpful. They're really small and lightweight, so you can use them handheld, or mount them and light up the area like me. So far I'm impressed, but they advertise it to be shockproof and durable, so let's see if that's true. First up, I taped the light to one of my throwing knives and gave it some throws. There we go. That took far too long. It held up perfectly, but I wasn't done. So I put it behind the tire on my Jeep and ran it over. It still lit up like new. The only damage it took was a small dent from the rocks below it. Not bad. And after some heavy testing, I'd have to agree. This camping light is really durable. It passes my test for sure. So yeah, I have no complaints. It works as advertised, it's quite bright, and I love those magnetic features. If you're looking for some nice camping lights that are portable, bright, and look nice, these lights from MyCampix might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go hang out by the campfire. See ya.